Okay, so what I'm playing is the one, okay, which is the second inversion of the key of C. So key of C, remember, this is the C. Okay, and it's the 135. The scale is C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and back to C. Okay, so C is the one, D is the 2, E is the 3, F is the 4, G is the 5, A is the 6, B is the 7, and then we are back to the C, okay? And the finger position, remember, is the fingers are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? So it's 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the finger, the way the finger goes, all right? So for each of the chord is 135. Key C is 135. All right, this is the root position. And if I move the C to the octave up, that is the first inversion. If I move the E to the top here, that is the second inversion. Okay, so we are starting on the second inversion of key C. So it's the 1 and then the 5, which is the key of G. So G has the same pattern, the 1, the 3, and the 5. Okay, so Jesus, okay, that's the root position of G. And then Lamb of God is the A minor. This is the A minor. Okay, first inversion, the A moves to the octave up A, and then the C, second inversion, the C moves to the octave up C. Okay, so if you're here and if you move the E down to this, that's your second inversion. All right, so Jesus, Lamb of God, okay, to the E minor, and then worthy is the 4, okay, which is the F major. It's 4 because 1, 2, 3, 4 are in the key of C, the fourth degree. 4, okay, worthy is your name. We play the 1 over the 5, which is the C, second inversion over the G to the 5. Okay. Oh dear, my recording is messing up. Okay, so G. Repeat the same thing again. Okay, very easy. So that is the homework. That is the recording I've just done for you. Let me put a little lesson behind it, kind of a recap of what we've done for Victoria's benefit as well. So remember, we've named all the keys, right? For Victoria, right? We know that the keyboard, the things that help us to identify it is these two black keys and the three black keys, okay, which keeps repeating. And in there is an octave, all right. So the keyboard is split by octaves. If we can use these ones to identify the number of octaves on the keyboard. Okay, so for the keyboard you see on my screen, there is a starting on my keyboard itself, not the virtual one. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So my keyboard has 5 octaves, right? And we've said that to identify it, the names of the keys, okay, is the names of the letters from A to G. Okay, if we know this is key C, the first two black keys here, right, the first white note bar 8 is a key C. So once we know key C in the alphabetical order, the next one is D, this one is E, F, okay, and F is the first white key before those three black keys. Okay, F, G, then it starts with A again, B, and back to C, and then it goes on. All right. So this is more like a recap for Victoria's benefit as well. Okay. Okay. So I will leave it here because it's almost time. Just practice the song. It's very easy, and if you have any challenges, just ask daddy to send me a text message, but it should be easy for you to play it. All right. God bless you.